Hello everyone, Aanyu Catrionah, and I'll be speaking about the 12 months of the year in Ateso. January, Orara. Here the trees have lost their green. There is nothing green at all. And then we have Feb, known as Omuk in Ateso. The green is back and it's beautiful everywhere. March, Okwang, it's windy and dusty. The children and the women are literally white. Then we have April, known to be Odunge, meaning the lights are out. The return of the rains is here and there is sowing of seeds. Then May, Opedele, the rains have returned and there are sowing of seeds in Odunge. Here there's literally nothing to eat. There's just little people are feeding on. June, or Maruk, there's mushrooms everywhere. Women keep picking up mushrooms on their way back home, and then men pick up mushrooms as well during their hunting and gathering of fruits. July, Omodoko Kengon, the harvesting season. Then we have Otikoik, which is August. There's a lot that happens in this month, but specifically there's feasting of food, and men are getting married to other wives. Therefore they're making more, they're extending their families. September, Otibar, here there's enough food and men are marrying more wives to extend their families. And then we have October, Osokosohoma. In this month, there is gathering of grass to thatch up houses in order to prepare for the rainy season back in Odunge. And then we have Osuban, November. In this month, so many Teso ceremonies are held. Visitors come in, feast, have parties, and then in Opo, which is known as December in English, the visitors leave and it's hunting season again. Yalama.